Unfortunately, no matter how strong your safety program is and how dedicated your company is to ensuring the safety of all employees on site, accidents do happen. A recordable injury is the most serious and is defined as one of the following: any work-related fatality, any work-related injury or illness that results in loss of consciousness, days away from work, restricted work, or transfer to another job, any work-related injury or illness requiring medical treatment beyond first aid, any work-related diagnosed case of cancer, chronic irreversible disease, fractured or cracked bones or teeth, and punctured eardrums. A common metric to measure the performance of a company in regards to their safe work practices is by using the Recordable Incident Rate, or RIR. The formula for calculating RIR within a given time frame is to take the number of OSHA recordable cases, multiply it by 200,000, and then divide it by the total number of employee labor hours worked at that particular location.